Hey guys, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to fix your PlayStation 4 stuck in the safe mode loop. Coming up next on YourSixStudios. If this is your first time watching a YourSixStudios video, make sure you give the video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. I do a lot of PlayStation tech videos and live streaming on this channel. So let's go ahead and fix your PlayStation 4 being in the safe mode loop. I'm going to get my PlayStation into safe mode. I have to go to power and completely turn off my PlayStation 4. Okay, when your console is completely turned off, it has to be turned off and not in rest mode, otherwise you cannot launch it into safe mode. So when you see no lights on your PlayStation 4, hold down your power button, you'll hear a beep, and then hold it until you hear a second beep, and then let go. And this will launch your console into safe mode. And you will need a DualShock 4 controller connected, and you will have to press the PlayStation button. So if you guys are watching, your safe mode loop is just going back and forth, and it won't launch your PlayStation 4 operating system. And I'm going to show you some methods under this screen right here that could possibly help you out. Now, I suggest going to rebuilding database first. And there's 5 options we can choose from here that may help your situation here. If you go to rebuild database, it will rebuild the database on your hard drive, and this may fix some corrupted issues on your PlayStation 4 hard drive. It says it will take a few hours, however, it'll probably take somewhere in the park of 10 minutes to maybe like 1 minute. And this is possibly a good option to go to because then you won't have to download all your data again. Nothing will be erased from your hard drive going to rebuild database. The other thing you can try is going to update system software. Maybe there's a new update out that your PlayStation just hasn't received, and that could possibly resolve the issue without having to delete all your data again. And if that didn't work, you can always go to restore default settings, and this will revert any kind of changes you made to your PlayStation 4, like your network connections, anything really. And it will restore it to its default values, and that could possibly relieve the issue too. If those 3 issues I just showed you didn't work, go down to initialize PS4, reinstall system software. And the bottom 2 options are more like factory resets, where it's going to get rid of your data. You will need a USB storage device containing the 6.5 or later update, and you can download this from PlayStation.com. If everything else does not work, go to initialize PlayStation 4, and this will be the complete factory reset of your PlayStation 4. So this will delete all the information, all your saved games, all your saved data off your PlayStation 4. And this should fix your PS4 safe mode loop, going to this option as a last resort. Now, I showed you the other options going to like rebuild database, update system software, restore default settings before initialize PS4, because you will have to download all your saved games and all your saved data once again going to initialize PlayStation 4. So let me know down in the comments below if this helped you out at all, or if there's other solutions that you guys know that you could share with everyone else that fixes your PlayStation 4 safe mode loop. This is Tim from YourSixStudios. Go ahead and like this video and subscribe down to my channel down below, and check out some of the other content coming up next on YourSixStudios.